Hi, I'm Lauren Macklin, and I am in Mrs Kranau's 5th grade math class. And I'm going to share to you my story of my tanagram turkey. The tanagram is made up of 7 pieces. And instead of just using tanagram pieces, we use geometric pieces. So I have a question for you. Don't you think turkeys just eat grain?
Mm-hmm.
But this turkey that's in my story eats berries. He's trying to collect berries for the winter. Here, I'll share you my story. Dear Mrs. Fruit Tree, I would like you to know that you are not producing enough fruit. I am gathering fruit for the winter, and your fruit is becoming more and more scarce. So what I'm trying to say is, well, produce more fruit, please. Signed, Barry the Turkey. Hi, I'm Barry the Turkey. You can just call me Barry. If you could not tell, I'm very stressed out because I worry I will not gather enough fruit for the winter. I keep my fruit in a secret pile of leaves. I also live in there. If you ask, it's much bigger than you think. There is a door that is the entrance to 4 steps. When you go fully down, there's my bed. And when you look left, you see my stash of fruit for the winter. Well, it's not as full as it was last year. Well, we should get back to the story. So I was walking around with my feathers flying in the wind. As I look up to see if there was any fruit, there was no more fruit. I looked up another tree. No more. I am so angry. I need fruit for the winter. I do not nearly have enough fruit for the winter. And then I saw them. I saw 2 kids that looked very cold. I saw maybe my answer to my problem. I waddled over to the kids and said, "Hey, you look cold. Here, follow me." So I took them to my bunk. I handed them 2 berries and said, "Here, go near the fire and have a berry." As I gave the 2 kids the berries, one of them said, "Wow, thanks. Wait, why are you giving us your last berries?" Then I had to think, why was I giving them my last berries? To some people, I just meant. Could it just be out of the kindness of my heart, or am I doing it because they would give me money? Then it hit me. I just remembered Thanksgiving was tomorrow, and I asked myself, what is Thanksgiving and what are you supposed to do? Then I thought, well, Thanksgiving is a day where you are kind and you share, and most of all, you look back at your day and give thanks for what happened. I told the little kids, I give it to you because it is almost Thanksgiving. This holiday is not about worrying about the future and if you have enough food, but it is about sharing and celebrating now. Wow, that was deep, said one of the kids. Because of your kindness, we would be able to give you some fruit for winter. You know, a favor for a favor. I was so thankful for that touch of kindness. Dear Barry, hi, I'm so sorry. I could not send back. I guess the wind decided to blow a different way. I'm sorry, but I'm not producing any more fruit. Signed, Mrs. Fruit Tree. Dear Mrs. Fruit Tree, hi again. I'm a little sad you're not producing any more fruit, but I have 2 kids that are giving me fruit for the winter. Signed, Barry the Turkey. This Thanksgiving, I learned if you do something good, you might be rewarded and might get a name like Barry the Good Turkey.